Welcome to Mechanic. Today here in Mechanic we have a 2015 Chrysler 300. On this Chrysler we're going to show you how to be able to replace or reset your oil life reading. So this has an oil life gauge, and sometimes you might have illuminated saying it's time to change the oil, and then you've gone ahead and changed the oil, and now you want to know how to be able to reset that so that it's not illuminated all the time. So our vehicle, we are in the vehicle. We have the, you can either start the vehicle or just turn it on to the accessories. And so the accessories option is we have the little push button right here. We're going to push that twice. And that turns on the accessories of the vehicle. It's going through all of its process, and now we're to this screen here. And it's telling us how to start the vehicle or what we need to do there. So we're just going to press OK to get here. We're in the vehicle information section, which is option number 2. It's telling us that we have a tire that's a little low, so we will want to address that by filling that tire with air. And so if we scroll to the right with these arrow buttons over here, we have our coolant temp, trans temp, oil temp, and then we have oil pressure, which is not reading anything right now because the car is not running. Then we have right here, we have the oil life indication. And it tells us to hold the OK button to reset it. And there we were able to reset it. Now, of course, it was at 99, so we've reset it 1 degree. But it would go all the way down there, and then it would remind you that you need to change your oil. And so that would be how you reset that. And then we're all done there, and we'll be able to go and be able to go on the road. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.